In this video we learn AutoCAD commands. 1. L for line command. 2. E for erase command. 3. F8 for ortho mode. 4. D command for DIMSENSION check. 5. C command for copy. Press F7 for off-grid in viewport. Line. Create a series of contiguous line segments. Each segment is a line object that can be edited separately. Specify first point. Sets the starting point for the line. Click a point location. With object snaps or grid snap turned on, the points will be placed precisely. You can also enter coordinates. If instead, you press enter at the prompt, a new line starts from the endpoint of the most recently created line, polyline, or arc. If the most recently created object is an arc, its endpoint defines the starting point of the line. The line is tangent to the arc. Specify next point. Specifies the endpoint of the line segment. You can also use polar and object snap tracking together with direct distance entry. Make a 12x12 box. Instead of selecting objects to erase, you can enter an option, such as L to erase the last object drawn, P to erase the previous selection set, or Alt to erase all objects. You can also enter to get a list of all options. Enter then erase lines. In the illustration, a line is drawn using ortho mode. Point 1 is the first point specified, and point 2 is the position of the cursor when the second point is specified. Ortho mode is used when you specify an angle or distance by means of 2 points using a pointing device. In ortho mode, cursor movement is constrained to the horizontal or vertical direction relative to the UCS. Horizontal is defined as being parallel to the x-axis of the UCS and vertical as being parallel to the y-axis. Make a 12x12 box by L command. D command specifies a parallel linear or angular dimension from which the others will be spaced. First point to end point of box and all points. Enter C command. For copy of any object. Specifies a relative distance and direction using coordinates. The 2 points you specify define a vector that indicates how far from the original the copied objects are to be placed and in what direction. If you press enter at the specify second point prompt, the first point is interpreted as a relative x, y, z. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.